Hi, I'm Beverly Payne, and this is Payne and Simple Makes. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you liked our previous video where I taught you how to make rolled paper roses, and we took some templates like these nice spirals, and we rolled those up into some really nice rolled roses. And so that begs the question, well, okay, this is great. I can do this now, but what am I going to do with all these roses that I have been making? Well, since here in the United States we're getting ready to have a 4th of July weekend and a 4th of July celebration, I thought you might want to use some of your rolled flowers in a 4th of July type project. So I have taken, just if you look here on the back, you can see this is just a piece of cardboard that is cut in the shape of a star. And I have used all the paper, rolled paper roses that I made yesterday to create this nice 4th of July decoration. So you can use this if you're having a barbecue, or you can just use it to bring some patriotic decor to your home. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this project. Let's go make something. Alright, so we're going to add these remaining flowers in. Alright, so I did not open these petals before I rolled it, or after I rolled it, I'm sorry. So I'm going to do it now. Oops, I just tore that one, but you know, the beauty of this project is it's kind of forgiving in that way. And honestly, it's hard to find a perfect rose in nature. Whoops. So again, I'm going to open these petals a little bit, some of these outer petals, because that is what you see with a real rose, right? Is you see those outer petals are way more open than the inner petals. Now, I'm going to attempt to add this one right in there. I'm going to squeeze that in there because there's kind of a big gap, and you can see my template there. And I don't want you to. I don't want to be able to see that. And I'm going to get all this hair off. There's kind of one right there, but it is probably too small to put another blue one in. You see, I couldn't even really manipulate that, those petals at all. So I need to do something there and something here. Again, too small for an actual flower. So what we're going to do is, this probably should be blue. So I'm going to cut off a couple of these petals, because this is an extra one that I have. I'm going to kind of bend them a little bit, manipulate them, and then I'm just going to glue that in there. And so it will just look like some extra blue petals. And then I need to do the same thing here, but I think on this one I'm going to use white. So I'm just going to cut off two. I might could get by with one, but I'm going to try to. And I just bend it and curl it a little bit. And figure out how best to get it in here and get it to cover up what I need it to. Okay, so there is our 4th of July project.